Welding Engineering Technology program at Ferris State University is a 4-year Bachelor of Science degree program
where we focus on all aspects of welding and joining.
Consisting of a 2-year associate degree in welding technology plus a second 2 years in welding engineering technology. The program is designed to graduate plant level welding engineering technology individuals to industry.
So anywhere from material selection to design to non-destructive testing, and of course lots of welding process focused coursework.
I chose to come to Ferris State University because a couple of other programs I've toured based more on the research aspect of technologies behind welding.
They give you more of a hands-on approach to doing welding engineering.
It's the only university that had welding engineering technology.
It just kind of came from me taking one class at a community college, and that's literally how I first fell in love with welding.
We started with a shielded metal arc welding, and going slow and watching the arc and the metal merge is really cool. If you get the chance to look at it up close. And I was I want to do more of this.
Anything you can think of probably has welding in some aspect of that manufacturing process. And so in my opinion, that this industry will be around for a long time. That's one of the reasons why I pursued the welding technology engineering degree.
The relationship between the faculty and the students is very good. We spend a tremendous amount of time with our students.
They're nice and they're very helpful and encouraging, and they do what they can to help you.
There's a very close relationship between the faculty and students, and you get good times to try and get help outside of class if you need help with anything.
So students have questions, they can catch us anytime, either during labs or lectures or office hours, or maybe even in the cafeteria during lunch.
I haven't met yet a professor in the program that I don't like, or any type of faculty member in this building that I don't like. Everybody gets along with everybody. They make sure that you have what you need to progress through your education.
They have a good understanding of what we expect, and we have a good understanding of how we can help them progress through their education.
It's just a fantastic relationship and environment to learn in.
Future students should consider Ferris, their welding program. Say one of the #1 things is job placement. Job placement is very high. It is probably at or very close to 100%.
They should come to Ferris because they have a very hands-on approach to teaching you about welding.
This allows me to take the industry current standards and apply them to what I need to do for my company, or be able to manufacture something that we are looking to do with said company. And Ferris really does that for me.
Overall, I just feel like it's a very solid program. They give you a well-rounded perspective of what the welding industry is really like.
Students should attend the Ferris State University Welding Technology program just due to the fact that this is one of the main places that industry in the United States come for welding engineering technology graduates.
We expect the students to achieve a high level of understanding of all our coursework. Our graduates early on in their careers have the opportunity to take important positions with their companies. So we want them to be well prepared for career growth.
Getting real world knowledge and experience.
I appreciate the way that they have engineered the program going forward is very job oriented. So yeah, you got to get through school. Yes, you have to get good grades, but I don't think many degrees are getting hands-on and face-to-face contact with the actual industry your first year being here.
The main goal of the Welding Engineering Technology program is to design and produce weldments that are acceptable to industry and can keep the public safe.